Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're interested in technology, problem solving, and building skills that actually matter in today's world, then you're in the right place. My name is Dr. Engineer Rashid Omar, and on this channel we focus on teaching people of all ages how modern technology really works, from the basics all the way to advanced, real-world skills used by professionals. Whether you're a complete beginner, a student, or someone already working in tech and looking to level up, this channel is built for you. This channel is all about education, clarity, and practical learning. We don't just talk about tech, we teach it step by step. Our main focus areas are software engineering, data science, artificial intelligence, blockchain engineering, blue teaming and cyber defense, computer system administration. We break complex topics down into simple, understandable lessons, so anyone can follow along no matter your age or background. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need curiosity and consistency. On the software engineering side, we teach you how to think like a programmer, not just how to write code. You'll learn programming fundamentals, how software is designed and structured, how real-world applications are built, best practices used by professional developers. We focus on problem-solving, logic, and clean code, so you're not just copying tutorials, you're actually learning how to build things on your own. Data is everywhere, and knowing how to work with it is a powerful skill. In our data science content, we cover data fundamentals and data analysis, working with real data sets, data visualization and storytelling, turning data into insights and decisions. We focus on practical, hands-on learning, helping you understand how data is collected, analyzed, and used to solve real problems. Artificial intelligence is shaping the future, and on this channel we make AI approachable and understandable. We cover AI and machine learning fundamentals, how AI systems work behind the scenes, practical examples and real use cases, ethical and responsible AI concepts. Our goal is to help you understand AI, not just use tools blindly, so you know what's happening under the hood and how to apply it correctly. Blockchain is more than just cryptocurrency. On this channel we explore blockchain fundamentals, how decentralized systems work, smart contracts in blockchain development, real-world blockchain applications. We focus on engineering and understanding, not hype, so you learn what blockchain actually does and where it truly adds value. Security is critical, and that's where blue teaming comes in. Here we teach defensive cybersecurity concepts, how systems are protected and monitored, threat detection and incident response, how organizations defend against attacks. This is about defending systems, networks, and data, and understanding how security professionals think and operate in real environments. Technology runs on systems, and someone has to manage them. We cover Linux and system fundamentals, server administration, networking basics, how real infrastructure is maintained. This gives you a strong foundation that connects everything else on the channel. If you are using a computer, you can access our YouTube channel by opening your web browser like Microsoft Edge, Chrome, Firefox, etc. Type youtube.com. and press enter. On YouTube, search Programming with MIQ and press enter. Scroll down a bit until you see our YouTube channel. You can subscribe from here for free or wait and click on the channel name. After that, you are now inside our channel. You can now start your learning journey and click on the subscribe button. And if you are using a mobile phone, you can access our YouTube channel by following the same procedures or open your YouTube channel. Search for Programming with MIQ and scroll a bit until you see our channel with the full name Programming with MIQ. Click on the name and click to enter the channel, and from there, you can click the subscribe button and start your learning journey. This channel is for beginners who want to start a tech journey, students who want real skills, professionals who want deeper understanding, anyone curious about how technology really works. If that sounds like you, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us as we learn, build, and grow together. Thanks for watching and welcome to the channel.